Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? And today I would like to explain about database. What the first thing when you hear about database? Maybe about a computer, about technology. Yeah, it's all correct. So let me show you about what is the database. Yeah. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Bryant Favian Ali. I'm from Islamic State University of Sultan Syarif Kasim Riau. I'm majoring in informatics engineering, and my lecturer is Ma'am Richa Fionasari. And my number identity is 12050112938. So let's go. What is a database? Database is a collection of data that is managed in such a way based on certain conditions that are interconnected so that it's easy to manage. Through this management, users can find it easy to find information, store information, and dispose of information. There are 5 types and functions from database. And the first is a operational database. Operational databases are commonly known as OLTP or Online Transaction Processing Database. It is useful for managing dynamic data directly or in real time. This type allows users to perform view and modify data. These modifications can be in the form of changing, adding, deleting data directly through the hardware used. The example of operational database is JSON and XML. And the second is database warehouse. Database warehouse is a database system commonly used for reporting and data analysis. The system is considered a core component of business intelligence. A database warehouse is a central repository of unified data from one or more disparate sources. The database also stores current and historical data with a single place used to generate analytical reports. And the example of database warehouse is SQL. And the third is a distributed database. Distributed database is a database whose storage device is not installed on some computer server device. The database is stored on several computer devices located in the same place or spread over the interconnected computer. This system is not the same as a parallel system that combines tightly and has a single data system. The system is distributed over a bundle site and has no physical components. And the example is Microsoft Access. And the fourth is a relational database. Relational database or relational database is a database that organized based on the data relationship model. Lots of software that use this system to manage and maintain the database through the relationship of each data. Generally, all systems use structured query language as a programming language for database maintenance and queries. An example is Oracle and MongoDB. And the last of types of database is end-user database. End-user database is a database developed by end-users themselves through their workstations. Various types of data files are created individually using separate procedures. An example is a spreadsheet. After I'm trying to explain the database, here's the benefits of database. And the number one is provides the ability to select data into a group that is sorted quickly, so we can sort much of data very quickly. And the number two is provide easy access for many users at the same time, so you can use the So you can use any access at the same time with other people in the world, of course. And the three is through the password instrument, data can only be accessed by authorized. So when you need to access the database, it's only for you have a permission or a password. Not anybody can sign in the database without the password. And the fourth is a provide low price for companies to invest in the storage space of important company data. So it makes we don't need have a much of money to control the database. And yeah, that's all about the database and the benefit of database. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake when I try to explain the database. So that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Goodbye.